Hey there, fellow cruisers. If you're dreaming of setting sail on a cruise without emptying your wallet, you're in the right place. Today, I've got a treasure trove of cruise tips to help you save big from planning to packing. Whether you're a cruise veteran or a first-timer, these insider secrets will ensure your cruise adventure is as affordable as it is unforgettable. So grab your compass and your sense of adventure, because we're diving right into the world of money-saving cruise strategies. First stop, let's talk booking. Timing is key. Book early for the best rates and cabin choices. But if you're a spontaneous traveler, keep an eye out for last-minute deals. Shoulder seasons are your golden ticket to savings. Think spring and fall when the crowds are thin and the prices are friendly. Inside cabins aren't just budget-friendly, they're cozy havens for a good night's sleep. And trust me, you'll be spending most of your time exploring the ship. Flexibility will work in your favor. Prices can vary based on sail dates, so be open to adjusting your travel plans for better deals. But wait, there's more. Sail smart by considering older ships. They offer amazing experiences without the hefty price tag of newer vessels. Sales and promotions are your secret weapons. Cruise lines are always offering discounts and perks. Keep an eye out for free Wi-Fi or even a beverage package. Planning pays off. Save on drinks, Wi-Fi, and shore excursions by booking them online before your voyage. You'll make waves with smart pre-cruise planning. Loyalty has its rewards. Join a cruise line's loyalty program to unlock exclusive deals, from fare discounts to complimentary upgrades. But wait, there's even more to discover. Don't overlook your credit card perks. Some cards offer double points for cruise payments, onboard credit, and even cruise-specific benefits. Upgrade on your terms. Bid for cabin upgrades on select cruise lines. You might find yourself sailing in luxury for a fraction of the price. Enlist the help of a travel agent. They're pros at finding the best deals and might sweeten the pot with freebies or onboard credits. Once you're there, you can still watch your wallet. First day discounts. Hit the spa and specialty restaurants that often offer irresistible deals. Port Day Spa hack right here. While others explore, hit the spa. You'll enjoy special deals and rejuvenate while others are ashore. Who says specialty dining breaks the bank? Enjoy reduced prices and the same delectable cuisine by dining at lunchtime. Calling all happy hour enthusiasts. Your daily schedule is a goldmine of deals. Look for daily drink specials that'll keep your wallet afloat. But hey, there's even more in store. Packages for the win. If eating and drinking are your game, consider bundles for better value. Think drink or dinner packages for a real deal. Souvenir smartness. Skip the pricey souvenir glass and savor your drink without the extra baggage. Your wallet and suitcase will thank you. More than meets the eye. Attend onboard seminars and raffles for chances to score spa credits, freebies, and even shiny gems. DIY adventures. Save by exploring ports independently. Walk, use local transportation, or grab Wi-Fi in town for free or cheap. Bargain like a boss. Negotiate prices for souvenirs, crafts, and even taxi rides. A friendly haggle can add extra gold to your pocket. Local flavors without the cost. Experience the culture and save by skipping touristy lunches and discovering authentic local eats. Sea and sand savings. Bring your own gear to beaches and save on rentals. That snorkel adventure won't sting your wallet. Book your next cruise on board. Get ahead of the game by reserving your future voyage while you're still at sea. You might even score onboard credit or extra perks. So whether you're a budget-conscious adventurer or a savvy cruiser, these tips will have you sailing the seas with more money in your pocket. Before you set sail, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel tips that'll turn your cruise dreams into reality. Happy cruising!